Overview of electronics manufacturing industry. Scale and importance. The electronics manufacturing industry is vast and crucial to global economies, encompassing the production of a wide range of electronic components and devices. Key sectors. It includes sectors such as consumer electronics, industrial electronics, automotive electronics, telecommunications equipment, and medical electronics. Market size. The global electronics manufacturing market is substantial, with significant contributions from countries like China, the United States, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. Technological innovation. Rapid technological advancements drive continuous innovation and product development in areas like semiconductors, display technologies, sensors, and connectivity solutions. Supply chain. The industry's supply chain is complex, involving raw material suppliers, component manufacturers, assembly firms, and distribution networks. Industries and market capital. Consumer electronics. This sector includes products like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and home appliances, with companies like Apple, Samsung, and Sony leading the market. Semiconductors. Critical for electronics, semiconductor manufacturing involves companies such as Intel, TSMC, and Samsung Semiconductor. Telecommunications equipment. Companies like Huawei, Cisco, and Ericsson dominate this sector, producing networking hardware and telecommunications infrastructure. Automotive electronics. Growing rapidly with advancements in electric vehicles, EVs. Companies like Tesla, Toyota, and Volkswagen are prominent players. Industrial electronics. This includes automation systems, robotics, and industrial control equipment produced by firms like Siemens, ABB, and Schneider Electric. Medical electronics. Companies like Medtronic, GE Healthcare, and Philips focus on medical imaging equipment, diagnostic devices, and healthcare IT solutions. Emerging technologies, areas like artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, and augmented reality, AR, are driving new opportunities in electronics manufacturing. Market capital and financial landscape. Market capitalization. The industry's market capitalization is vast, with leading companies often having valuations in the billions or even trillions of dollars. Investment trends. Significant investments are made in R&D to fuel innovation and maintain competitive advantages. Global trade dynamics. The industry is influenced by global trade policies, tariffs, and geopolitical factors due to its international supply chain. Financial performance. Companies in the electronics manufacturing sector are closely watched for their financial performance, revenue growth, and profitability margins. Stock market influence. Major electronics manufacturers are listed on global stock exchanges, impacting global financial markets. Manufacturing hubs. China. Known as the world's factory, China dominates electronics manufacturing with clusters in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Shanghai. United States. Silicon Valley remains a hub for semiconductor innovation, while places like Austin, Texas, and San Jose also host major electronics manufacturing facilities. Japan, Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya are centers for electronics production, particularly in semiconductors and consumer electronics. South Korea. Seoul and surrounding areas are significant for electronics manufacturing, home to companies like Samsung and LG. Taiwan. Taipei and Hsinchu are hubs for semiconductor manufacturing, hosting TSMC and other key players in the global supply chain. Germany. Known for automotive electronics and industrial automation, cities like Munich, Stuttgart, and Frankfurt play crucial roles. India. Emerging as a manufacturing hub, cities like Bangalore and Chennai are focusing on electronics production, especially in consumer electronics and telecommunications. Vietnam. Rapidly growing as a manufacturing destination, with investments from companies relocating production from China due to cost considerations. Challenges and future trends. Supply chain disruptions. Vulnerability to disruptions, such as natural disasters or geopolitical tensions, impacting global supply chains. Environmental regulations. Increasing focus on sustainability and environmental regulations affecting manufacturing processes and product design. Labor costs and skills. Varied labor costs and skill availability influencing decisions on manufacturing location and automation adoption. 5G and IoT. Accelerating demand for new electronics components and devices to support advanced telecommunications and connectivity. Artificial intelligence. Integration of AI into electronics manufacturing processes to enhance efficiency, quality control, and predictive maintenance. Conclusion. The electronics manufacturing industry is dynamic, diverse, and essential to modern life and industry. With ongoing technological advancements and global competition, it continues to evolve, presenting both challenges and opportunities for stakeholders worldwide.